washing the dirty toilet, the outhouse, what they call in America. Huh?
I squirted myself in the face.
Oh no. Ito yung parang toilet sa Philippines na sa labas. Outhouse. Pero mayroon kaming sariling clean toilet sa loob ng yan oh, yan yung bahay namin.
You're on the inside.
Huh? Where?
The inside of the outhouse.
Oh, yeah. You did not wash it yet.
No,
I will show you the inside of the...
still dirty, but
It's dirty, but it's better than in the Philippines. Yo, that's the inside. Oh, see, oh. Ayan, oh. Malinis naman. Tapos may toilet paper pa yan sa loob, eh. Hindi gaya yung dirty toilet sa Philippines na kakaiba. Masyadong madumi. Di ba? Yan ang maganda lang dito eh. Malakas yung tubig. Ang pressure niya is ano. How many years is this outhouse? 100 years old. Ba ito daw pero
I put a new roof on it.
new roof and new body. New paint only. Tingnan mo naman 100 years ha. Yeah, ba kahit dito yung bahay 100 years na yan pero na retoke lang. Yeah. Siya talagang linisin ng husto oh. Nilagyan ng pine sol yung did you put pine sol in the water? Oh, pine sol. Alam mo yung pine sol yung may parang may sabon at saka parang may pagka Clorox siya, ganun may mix. Mabango siya na ano na pwedeng pag Clorox ganun. Kaya mabango yung loob niya, mamaya mabango lahat. Wala na yung cobwebs. Kasi 'di ba matagal na hindi kami nag-stay dito. So ayan yung mga cobwebs pa o tinatanggal niya. Thank you.